Hello everybody, my name is Chapman and I'm joined today by Dougie Poynter, who is one part awesome, world famous bassist and actually now another part creative director of a brand new fashion brand, and also the entire reason behind the saying good things come in small packages. Very small, so we're kind of here today combining the two things. You are actually on tour at the moment. You're still laughing at my joke.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
he managed to squeeze me in between sound check and actual performance tonight in like a really cool venue in London, but wanted to show me his stuff, so brought it with him, bless him, on a rail, and he's going to talk to me all about it. So, first things first, tell me the name of your brand and kind of the vision behind it.
Well, the name is Polonius, which is named after one of the characters in Hamlet.
I think it's a really killer name, and it just sounds good.
You like it?
Yeah, I do.
Polonius.
In fact, when I got the email about this, I was like, that's a really good name for it. It's a strong name for a brand, I feel, yeah.
Oh, cool, because I always like that sort of thing that plays in my mind. I'm like, oh, is it good? It's like band names.
Okay, so tell me about the sort of the vision behind it and what kind of got you.
So it's called Polonius because I really love acting and Shakespeare and
in fact, I should have given you a bigger intro. Also, one part actor as well.
Oh yes, I do love this everything. So Polonius named after one of Shakespeare's characters, and it was just really good. I don't really like the character in the play. Is actually kind of lame.
Fine, he's got a good name,
but he's got a killer name. So the name is named after like One Love, which is movies and acting, and plays and everything. And then, but the collection itself is actually inspired from old rock and roll photography, which I collect.
Fine.
So like everything from kind of like around the 50s all the way up to the 90s.
Right.
I mean, it's not all here, but it's in here.
Yeah, I get it. And actually, it's got that vibe for sure, because you've got like a Cuban collar number here, very 50s collar, but also you've got like real 90s vibes. And this, I can see Kurt Cobain rocking that.
Yeah.
You know?
Yep. Well, not anymore.
Yeah, no, not anymore. No, obviously. All right. Talk me through some of your key items.
Key items, I guess. Ooh, okay. Well, I mean, I dig this shirt because of the collar. So this is actually so the cut wise is inspired obviously by like rock and roll and everything, but heavily inspired by Baz Luhrmann's Romeo and Juliet.
Oh yeah, I love that film, and I can totally see that actually.
Yeah.
With flowers and everything. Yeah, and that is Leo wears a lot of this sort of stuff in that film, right?
That's his vibe, which I think was designed by Dolce & Gabbana.
Interesting.
They were the creative directors behind that. Yeah.
I have to rewatch that now.
So I've totally just ripped them off.
Nice.
Yeah.
Hey, not ripping off, it's inspiration.
It's inspired by.
Okay, yeah, that is actually I think my favourite piece. But I've only seen.
All right, cool. Well, then we're done here then. All right, sweet.
I've only seen what you show me online though. I haven't seen it in real life.
Okay, sweet. Oh, and I guess
that's cool.
Oh, that's really sweet as well. That's again the whole Romeo and Juliet, Baz Luhrmann with the flowers, and it kind of again reminded me of like Shakespeare and all around kind of that time, but mixed in with the rock and roll stuff.
Right.
And the fit as well was modelled on like one of my favourite T-shirts that I've had for ages that had been like washed really worn in. So
I can kind of picture in this like an Axl Rose sort of thing, but kind of
old Axl, back in the day, Axl Rose, not Axl Rose sat in his throne just going
old Axl Rose, but also it has got that sort of that Romeo and Juliet type vibe.
Yeah,
imagine Axl Rose playing Romeo or Juliet.
Dude,
he can do either. He's got the hair for it.
Totally. This is the stuff that's like more inspired by the stuff from like the 60s or 70s, like Rolling Stones with the frilled collar.
Yeah, what would you call that? It's kind of, I'll go with collar.
Is anyone in fashion here that knows what that bit is called?
This detailing.
The frill detailing in the
neck. Buttons?
The neck bit. The neck bit's got frilly bits.
Listen, we know it looks cool, we're just not that technical about it. But no, I like this. I can see it's kind of, you can see it is very Mick Jagger.
Yeah, exactly. I took that it was a picture. I've got this like rock and roll history, black and white thing of Rolling Stones, and I literally just...
There's a fine line, I feel, between Mick Jagger and Austin Powers, and I think you're on the right side of it. I think you've done all right here.
We hope so,
I think if the frills were bigger...
It was a little bit bigger, yeah.
I think you've done well there. Okay. Cool. This is kind of talking to me.
Have
you worn this before? Have I seen you in this?
I've been wearing that around. Yeah, I've been wearing
like
that
it
around.
a lot.
That is, I guess that's more like along the lines of Blur.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah, that's very like Blur inspired and super comfortable, and comes with, you can wear.
Do you double up?
I don't. I separate them. Do you double up?
I tend not to double up on trackies.
You don't double wrap?
I don't double wrap. No, on trackies. I feel like it's kind of like double denim is one thing. I feel like double trackies is sort of a.
I'm literally going running.
It's a tougher thing to do, but I totally would wear separates for sure.
No, but they're like genuinely one of the most comfortable things I've ever put on.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, oh yeah, this is one of my favorite ones, yeah. Again...
Oh, it feels amazing.
I know, right?
Isn't it?
Yeah. It's got unicorn hair. It's 100% unicorn hair. That's what it's made out of. Again, super 90s Cobain.
Super. Also, like,
inspired.
it's really tactile. It's something I love, like...
What does that mean?
Like, it feels
You
nice.
can't use big words with me, man.
It feels nice.
I dropped out of school when I was 15.
I mean, you've done alright. Boo-hoo, Dougie has not proper education. Oh no, playing bass all over the world. My heart bleeds. But this colour's great. I feel a moss green goes with like everything.
Yeah, totally. And you can keep it for when you're old.
That's the thing. Put some elbow patches on the elbows, and you're good for the rest of your life.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Do you know what? Like the more I look at everything, the more I'm really interested. You can kind of see like the transition. It does go from sort of 50s like through to the 90s here, and this is really cool as well.
Yes, yeah, and it's super like it's summer.
Yeah, so it's not super heavy.
It's not super heavy, and because British summers, as we know, do kind of suck.
Yeah.
It's for evening and
It's definitely got that sort of grunge feel, like wearing it with jeans that we're on today, like ripped sort of knackered old jeans,
just
grungy.
hipster,
you know, I'm into that. I kind of, you know what? Kurt Cobain is a big style icon of mine, which is weird because my usual style is kind of quite 50s, but I just think he was so like chill about it all, like really.
Oh yeah. I mean, he literally just didn't care at all, and that's what made him so.
Didn't always get it right.
Didn't always get it right. No.
And you got leather as well.
Oh yeah, so this is like the more again kind of like 50s.
Yeah.
Total opposite kind of end of the spectrum.
That's a good quality.
It's an actual leather jacket. Yeah.
Yeah, like but it's like it's thick and it's nice and it's like, you know, sometimes leather can be a little bit like it's leather.
But it sticks in one place.
Right. This is nice.
No. And this was more, I guess, kind of like traditional rock and roll.
Yeah. It's one of those layers actually that you can wear with a lot of stuff, and you can like really rock it up if you put that guy with it, or you can make the 90s with that guy. It's the sort of thing that works with everything. Yeah. Nice. Oh, look at this guy.
This guy.
Hello.
This guy.
I don't know if the camera's picking this up, but it's glittery but not glitter.
This was also made from unicorns, not hair, bodily fluids.
Right. Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah. This I guess is more of like for your person who just really wants attention.
Listen, we all like attention sometimes. Have you worn any of this on your tour yet?
No, I haven't worn anything on tour because nobody has sent me anything yet.
Have you not got your own stuff?
No.
We're looking at you, team.
It's so exclusive, not even I've got it.
When does it come out?
It comes out.
I know the answer.
4th of June.
Well done.
Comes out
4th of June. On the 4th of June, you can sign up to the mailing list. I know more about it than you do. On the 4th of June, you can sign up to the mailing list. On the 5th of June, you can actually start buying for reals.
Yeah,
right?
for reals.
Yeah. Oh, and what's the website?
Polonius. I am Polonius.com.
Well done.
I am Polonius.
Well done. I'll put a link to it in the description box so you can check it all out there. I want to look at this guy as well now. I want to look at everything.
Do it, man.
That's
really
okay.
Cool. It's okay.
I have about I have a million of these shirts, but for this season, this Cuban collar is totally in.
I'm Cuban collars all the way. Again, kind of more the depth kind of vibe. Like in Las Vegas.
Yeah.
That kind of vibe. But
you've got great reference points. You know that.
Really?
Yeah, I've always liked you, but now I like you a bit more because you just like
always liked me.
Good taste in like in music and in films and clothes.
Oh, thanks, man.
Well done.
Yeah. That's what that was inspired by.
Nice.
And then we got this. Like your staples, like again, may look boring.
No,
but has a few little holes.
Also,
in it.
good choice of hole positioning because it's not quite nipple.
It's not quite.
No one wants a nipple.
There's gonna be no nipple slip. But again, it's modelled on like one specific T-shirt that just fit me amazing.
Are all your T-shirts kind of the same cut?
They're pretty much all the same cut.
Yeah, nice. Okay. But that's really good, I feel, because there's a few brands that T-shirts I can't wear because they just don't fit me. But I find a brand I wear, I'll buy a lot of their T-shirts.
Totally,
that's
exactly what I do. So now I'm only wearing Polonius.
Oh, wait, I'm feeling something. I thought this was denim.
Oh, no, these are sick. This is actually, I think, my favourite thing of the whole collection. Because they're not quite trousers, not quite tracksuit bottoms. They're
trouser bottoms.
A jouser.
Yeah, okay, that's the best one in mind.
It's a jouser. But it's like, but yeah, again, it feels like my jacket, which is suede. So
oh God, if you wore these two things together, you'd be like, I'll just cuddle you.
But these are, again, more like 90s kind of.
Yeah, well, they're kind of like, they're sort of a straight leg, right?
Straight leg.
But they look so comfy.
Super comfy, but you can wear them during the day and like rolled up, look super sick. And yeah, loose fit, and you can wear them in bed as well. So you can wear them all day, not shower, just get straight into bed.
Don't advise it, but I mean, you can do that.
You can do that if you're on tour or
fine.
You know.
But you do have kind of like the whole shebang. Like you've got jeans and you've got like kind of tracky trouser type things, but then you go from t-shirts to shirts to, and you go all the way to leather.
Yeah, totally. It's a full,
comprehensive
leg up, leg up collection.
It's a comprehensive collection.
Yeah, and then the next line that we do for fall.
Right.
I guess is the Americans call it.
But
back in the fall.
Back in the fall.
Will be obviously fall clothing.
Of course.
And will be available in retail.
Okay, amazing. Right, so it's online exclusive to start for the season.
Yeah, to start with. Yeah.
Okay, great. So there we have it. You've done really well here.
Thanks, man. Thank you so much, dude. Thank you.
Honestly, like I'm really impressed. For like your first kind of collection, you covered all the bases, and I'm totally into it. So IamPolonius.com, go there, check it out. You can sort of register your interest. You can start ordering from the 5th. Make sure to subscribe if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, check it out. Also, follow Dougie on Instagram because he does loads of like really cool sort of like mid-bass jumps.
I dug a hole.
I make it look really lame.
No, you got to get both legs up.
Is that right?
Yeah, that's kind of it. Yeah.
Okay, great. Yeah, I dug a hole.
This whole thing was just for my Instagram plug. I dug a hole is my Instagram handle.
Yeah. Actually, and you also put like really kind of half profound, half funny captions underneath all your photos, which I appreciate. Anyway, we're getting carried away. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you very soon. Goodbye.
Thank you.